I didn't push. I haven't pushed the record button until now, but I already spoke for 15 minutes or something. I wasted my time. Anyway, yeah. Oh my God. Hello everybody, my name is Kazu. Nice to meet you. This is part of my 365 day daily. This is part of my 365 day daily challenge. Speaking English for 30 minutes straight using top set questions, no script, just spontaneous answers. Just like the real exam. Let's get started. Anyway, today is day 143. I was reviewing yesterday's phrases as usual, but I realized that I didn't push the record button. So I was kind of freak, just, I didn't record. I wasn't record, but I was, speaking on my own. But I didn't do anything, so I don't know. Oh my God. And my lunch break is only 1 hour. So I can't finish this challenge in my lunch break. Oh, how stupid I am. What a stupid person I am. What the stupid person I am. Is it correct? Yeah, what a stupid person I am. Or how stupid I am. Okay, great. At least I learned the phrase. I could review the phrase. Yeah, I was I was reviewing yesterday's phrases, but all of them are wasted. I was talking about the portion for lunch. So since 2 days ago, I've started eating a slightly smaller portion for lunch. Because I usually get sleepy when I eat, too much or just usual amount. So I thought reducing the amount would work. I mean, will help me not get sleepy. But seemingly it doesn't. I mean, not seemingly. It looks like it doesn't work because I'm sleepy. right now. I'm I'm sad because I wasted my time, and yeah, when I because I think the time was wasted. The time was nothing. It makes me feel down. Anyway, yeah, I can't take it back. I can take it back even if I say something, if I, regret. So, yeah, let's review again. Let's review yesterday's phrases again. Before yesterday, okay, before yesterday, I used to eat, before 2 days ago, actually. Before 2 days ago, actually, I actually used to eat, I used to eat whatever I wanted for lunch. But I decided to quit that habit because I usually get sleepy when I eat too much, or just usual portion. So since yesterday, I've started eating a slightly smaller amount, smaller portion for lunch. Thanks to that, I can keep working smoothly. But unfortunately, it doesn't work. It doesn't work because I'm sleepy right now. And subscribers. So actually, in September, I didn't realize it, but I got one subscriber. That person is my first subscriber. So, uh, but I didn't realize it. So for about 4 or 5 days ago, I realized it, and I talked about the person in this challenge. Just thank you. Sorry, I didn't realize it. So, and I wanna communicate with you. Please leave a comment, something like that. But that subscriber didn't leave a comment. I'm still waiting, but he didn't leave a comment. So, but you know, so I titled the video, "Thank you for my first subscriber. Leave a comment," something like that. Then I got one more subscriber, and actually or I don't know he or she, but that person left a comment on that video. Thank you for that person. He was really kind. Uh, so I titled the next day's video, "Thank you, I got one more subscriber," and at the time, actually, I calculated how long it would take for me to get 1 million subscribers. According to the calculation, it would take about 4,000 years to reach 1 million subscribers. And So I titled that day's video, thank you for one more subscriber, and it takes me 400,000 years to reach 1 million subscribers. Then I got 2 more subscribers. I was really happy because now I have as many as 4 subscribers. Thank you so much. Thank you, and I appreciate it. And at that time, at that day, I recalculated how long it would take to reach 1 million. The result was 1,997 years still. It's funny. But 1,000. If I were immortal, I can make that come true. But I'm not. So anyway, so for a long time, I didn't have any subscribers. But now I have as many as 4 subscribers. Thank you so much. And this is great. And this is unbelievable. This is miracle. I didn't think I mean, I was ready that no one would watch this challenge until this challenge was over. But now maybe they will watch, but I don't expect. But oh my God. But now, so I have as many as 4 subscribers. Thank you. Great thing. So I'm sleepy. I want to sleep, but I can't. Yesterday I calculated how long it would take me to reach 1 million subscribers based on my channel's current growth rate. My channel's current growth rate and it turned out to be 1,997 years. So if I were immortal, I could actually make that dream come true. Even if I limit my lunch portion to a small amount, I can't avoid feeling sleepy. It always hits me after lunch. It always hits me. Right now, it's hitting me. It is hitting me. Even right now. I'm fighting sleepiness. I'm fighting off sleepiness right now. Yeah, actually, while speaking, fortunately, I'm not. I don't fall asleep, so great. Oh my God, so almost 15 minutes left. Okay, after work, I'll do the left. I'll do the left. Thank you so much. See you. Okay, I'm continuing. I resume the challenge. 60 minutes. Okay. So yeah, I was talking about reviewing. So yes. So yes, I have as many as 4 subscribers now, and yesterday I calculated, and 2 days ago I calculated how long it would take to reach 1 million people, 1 million subscribers, based on my channel's current growth rate, and it turned out to 1,770 700 1,900 1,997 years. But before that, it was about 4,000 years. So if I were immortal, I can make that come true. But maybe if I'm in this situation, I cannot make it happen. But some miracle, if some miracle happens, maybe I will, I will reach 1 million, like 10 years, in 10 years, or I don't know. But first, I have to finish this challenge until 365 days over. Until that time, I just do my best. I just keep doing this challenge. So yeah, so it's been a long time since I answered the question. Will physical money disappear? I answered yes. How do you feel about self-driving car? I answered this. Should we be concerned about deep fake videos? Yes, we should. Like the cutting edge technology is used, exploited for crimes first, not for the good thing. Wait a minute. Actually, my Instagram account isn't going well, but only for today. So yes. So the question is, should we be concerned about deepfake videos? My answer is yes, we should. Because usually the cutting edge technology is used for crimes first, not for a good thing first. So like those deepfake videos that try to deceive us, try to fake us. So we have to be cautious when we watch videos right now. Like I've already heard that someone was deceived by a fake video which some famous person, said this is lucrative business, so please invest. And then that guy that was deceived by that video, then that guy invested some money, but that money never came back to that person. So if we tend to believe in someone famous or popular, easily. So deep fake videos, they can use famous people's face or popular people's faces to deceive us, to trick us. So we have to be considered. We have to be cautious. That. So the question is, should we be concerned about deepfake videos? My answer is yes, we should, because usually cutting-edge technologies are used for crimes first, not for good purposes. Deepfake videos aren't Deepfake videos are made to deceive or trick us, so we have to be cautious when we watch videos these days. For example, I heard that someone was deceived by a fake video in which a famous person said, "This is a lucrative business, so please invest." For example, I heard that someone was deceived by a fake video in which a famous person said, "This is lucrative business, so please invest." That person believed it and invested some money, but the money never came back. People tended to trust someone famous or popular, so deepfake videos can easily use their faces to mislead us. That's why we must be careful and critical when we see videos online. Cutting-edge technologies. So I'll explain this again from the beginning. The question is, should we be concerned about deepfake videos? I think we should, because cutting edge technologies are usually used for crimes, not for good purposes. For example, I heard that someone was deceived by a fake video in which a famous or popular person said, "This is a lucrative business, so please invest." Then that guy invested some money. Wait, what was that? The person believed it. The person believed it and invested some money, but the money never came back. Actually, the money was not some. The money was really huge amount, like 10 million or 100 million yen. But so people tend to trust someone famous or popular. So deepfake videos can easily use their faces. Deepfake videos can easily use their faces to trick us, mislead us. That's why we must be careful and critical when we when we see videos online. And we see videos online. Deepfake videos. And actually, deepfake videos are used for porn videos. Porn, yeah, for porn. Quite often. So muchか. So much ka. Deepfake videos are used for porn so much. So some people earn lots of money to use deepfake videos for porn. I don't know if it is illegal or not. And the quality is maybe very good because I haven't watched porn since 2 months ago or last month since yeah, last month, or I forgot. So I quit watching porns because I've heard that porns destroy my, how can I say, like if you see porn エロ動画ってなんて言うんだ? Porn videos. Yeah, porn videos. What was I talking about? So yeah, I heard that porn videos destroy your porn damages the brain's reward system. Porn damages the brain's reward system. So that's why I quit watching porn. But I was really into it, honestly. Yeah, I was even absorbed in it, but I quit for my future self. For my future self, yes. Anyway, yeah, deepfake videos are used for porn too, and some fake videos to deceive people, to seize their monies. How can I say? Take other people's money. Thank you so much. Bye bye.